This guide explains how to enable DDoS protection on Cloudflare. By following these steps, you will configure settings to help safeguard your website from distributed denial of service attacks, enhancing your site security and performance. Begin by navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard. Open your web browser and enter the Cloudflare. Once the page loads, you will need to log into your account if prompted, enter your email and password, and click the login button. After successful authentication, you will be taken to the main dashboard. Next, locate the domains section on the left sidebar of the dashboard. Click on Domains to proceed. This action will redirect you to a page displaying all the domains associated with your account, allowing you to select the relevant domain for which you want to enable DDoS protection. After that, find and click on the specific domain you wish to secure. This will bring you to the overview page for that domain. Here, you will see various settings and configuration options tailored to your selected domain. Once this appears, look for the Security tab in the menu. Click on Security to access the security settings for your domain. This section provides options related to various security features, including DDoS protection. Following this, locate the Security Rules option under the Security tab. Click on Security Rules to view and manage existing rules or create new ones. This area is critical for configuring protection against various threats, including DDoS attacks. Next, select the DDoS Protection option from the available security rules. By clicking on this, you will be directed to the DDoS protection settings where you can customize your defenses against DDoS attacks. Then click on HTTP DDoS attack protection. This option allows you to enable specific settings that will help mitigate HTTP-based DDoS attacks. Ensure that you read the descriptions provided to understand each setting's implications. Now click on Create Override to start configuring your DDoS protection settings. This action will open a new configuration window where you can define the specifics of your DDoS protection. In the new window, you will see a field labeled Override Name Required. Click here to enter a name for your DDoS protection override. This name will help you identify the configuration later. Type in a descriptive name for the override, ensuring it reflects the purpose of this DDoS protection setting. Clear naming helps maintain organization within your security configurations. Following this, click on DDoS L7 Rule Set Configuration. This section allows you to choose from various Layer 7 rules that can be applied to your DDoS protection settings, enhancing your defenses. Next, select Rule Set Configuration. This step will provide further options to customize how your DDoS protection behaves under different circumstances. Then click on Default to apply the standard rule set configuration. This option ensures your settings align with the recommended default protections provided by Cloudflare. Afterward, click on Block to set the action for detected DDoS threats. This option will instruct Cloudflare to block malicious traffic that matches the defined rules. Now, you must choose Rule Set Sensitivity Required. Click on this option to adjust the sensitivity level of your DDoS protection settings. Higher sensitivity may block more traffic, while lower sensitivity may allow some potential threats. Select Default again to apply the default sensitivity settings. This step ensures a balanced approach to traffic management and security. Next, click on High to set a higher sensitivity level for your DDoS protection. This setting will provide more aggressive protection against potential attacks. Following this, click on Rule Configuration to finalize the settings for your DDoS protection. This option allows you to review and adjust the configurations before saving. Now click on Browse Rules to configure action and status for specific tags or individual rules. This action allows you to customize how different types of traffic are treated under your DDoS protection settings. Finally, click on Save to apply all your changes and activate the DDoS protection settings. This confirmation step ensures that your configurations are stored and implemented. If you'd like to try enabling DDoS protection on Cloudflare yourself, The link is available in the description and pinned comment below. Following these steps will help you secure your website effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.